Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites quickly. Make sure Waze and iOS are updated, then connect the phone to CarPlay. Once connected, unlock the iPhone and allow CarPlay access if prompted. Open Settings General CarPlay and select your vehicle to manage apps. You're starting the integration now, so tap Customize to ensure Waze is enabled in the active app list. This step lets the Waze icon appear on your CarPlay screen immediately. Now you enable and position Waze for easy access. In CarPlay settings, drag Waze into the top active row. Placement matters for quick reach while driving. Once done, disconnect and reconnect or restart the car's infotainment to refresh the app grid. Make sure Waze has microphone and precise location permissions so voice routing and real-time traffic work correctly. If you use wireless CarPlay, confirm the vehicle's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi pairing. Finish by launching Waze on CarPlay and starting a short route to verify voice directions and map display. If Waze doesn't appear, make sure the car's head unit firmware is current and that CarPlay isn't restricted by a profile or parental control. Once you've tried reconnecting and restarting both systems, clear Waze app cache or reinstall Waze on the iPhone. Key troubleshooting tip. If audio or maps fail, toggle location services and microphone permissions, then reauthorize CarPlay in iPhone settings before testing again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.